river paid, honey. So listen up. Let it go. If the girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. If the girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. If the girl wanna play, let it go.
And it drops in for a double.
So come on and raise your cup. If we're talking about memories, yeah, we gonna make them.
Bang, River.
Scores in
Hell
another
yeah.
run.
Yeah.
The same 'cause we thinking the same thing.
Scores in another run.
About to blow it up.
It's 3-0.
Come on.
One out.
Everybody screaming, lighters in the sky, yeah. Everybody singing every word to every song of the girl that's taking home tonight. When the lights come on, everybody feeling
Double.
from the phone on. When the lights come on, the buzz boy
Second and third. 4-0.
is going on night long. When the lights come on.
Another run.
First and third. River.
Runners on first and third.
Another run scored.
Wolves going on a serious one-out rally with some nice RBIs.
Everyone
Oh,
sees
good
that
eye.
makes
Very
it
close ball below the zone.
Oh, good eye.
Another very great take. He's taking some big league takes here.
3-0. The Wolves have upgraded to River Gaston. Brock Winstead sent down to the minors.
Ball five. Perfect opportunity. One out. All the Hawks are looking for is a double play.
Yeah.
He grounds it, and he gets the double play, and he keeps the deficit at 5. Hawks at a 5-0 deficit in the first inning. Ryan Tuch with a comebacker off the bucket for a nice single. Stan Mankiewicz up the bat. Yesterday, he hit a grand slam to walk off the game. He pops it up, JD's tracking it, and he catches it.
Oh my
And
God, how did he miss?
misses the double play. One out here in the bottom of the first. Josh Pollock, number 19, up to bat. Delivers. Takes ball one just a bit outside. And he sees one, and it's just foul. Pitch.
You're up, man.
He
Go.
sees one, and Andy catches it at the warning track, trying to go for the double play, but misses it just low. Kyle Werner up to bat. Took some BP this morning, feeling good, and hit a couple bombs. Let's see if that can happen in this game, which could really be helpful. He sees one, and that's a single oppo for Ryan Tuch. Here's the pitch. Swing and a miss down in the dirt. Wasassa delivers. Took the ball down the dirt. 1-1. Sees one, and that's another single up the middle for Ryan Tuch. Bases are loaded for Stan Mankiewicz. If he could possibly get a good swing of the bat, it could bring this deficit to 1.
Dude, that was you.
Stan's trying to look for his pitch.
Whoa!
Tries to get it with the junk ball, but just misses and in for an inside strike. Fouls one off, up high. Stan
Takes a second.
trying to power through for this Hawks. JD pitches a fast one down to the dirt. Takes the ball outside. Full count for Stan. Here's the pitch. Behind him for the first run for the Hawks. Josh Pollock up to bat here. JD looking down the batter. Delivers the pitch. Up way high. Sees one. It's popped up. And Fred catches it for the last out of the inning. And the Wolves keep their lead 5-1 going into the second inning. Another one. And it's just fair for a double. The pitch way behind him. Runners on first and second for the rookie River Gaskell. Sees a pitch way inside for ball 1. Took a great ball down low in the third. 4-0 count for River Gaskell. And takes ball 5. Bases are loaded yet again for Fred Werner. Fred Werner has not yet got his first career grand slam. Ball up high.
Shit. 3-0.
Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows
4-0.
down.
4-0 count.
He started me out with a strike right down the
Hasn't
middle.
thrown a strike since 10 pitches. Wolves get another one on the board for the second inning. Andrew Pollock up to bat with bases loaded. Can really pull through here too.
Whoa! Whoa!
Stan has not thrown a strike in 13 pitches. And he breaks that with a very wild strike up and in. Andrew Pollock smashes one foul over the fence. And takes ball 5 and walks him another run. JD Losasso up to bat, bases loaded. It's 7-1. JD takes ball 1. Swings at a ball high at his chest.
And grab my guitar and strum a couple chords and sing from my heart. Girl, you sure got the big
grass at the mound.
Hell, I can't get you out of my head. Baby, you told me
Swings at another ball. 3-2 count. Momo swings at a ball outside. And it takes ball 5. Walks in another run. River Gaskill up to bat now. Ball 1, very inside and turn behind them.
Huh? No, they don't. Holy, that's going on Mincer.
Rio with wait for your pitch.
Whoa, now. This guy can pitch, hit, and field.
Swings at Warren. Eddie doesn't get it for the single. Walks in another run. 9-1.
I'd be the first grandpa to you're doing it.
River Gaskill with a clutch RBI single there. Brings their lead from 8 runs.
Whoa, stand it!
Strike 1. Inside of the
Oh, that was close.
Did you turn his arm?
Your arm angle.
Whoa, never mind. Whoa, now. Whoa! Whoa, at.
4-1 for Fred Werner.
Yeah!
Drops another single and brings her. Oh, double? Oh.
Over the line.
Not a single. A double.
On the other side of the line. How can I see it? I got eyeballs, man. No Asperger's, eyeballs.
Fred Werner with not a single. A double.
You go to the tape? Want to go to the tape?
And he brings in 2 runners.
I really like it. Yes, sir! He broke the ball!
Home run just inside the foul pole for a 3-run bomb. Wolves are not Wolves. Hawks are really struggling and Wolves are really winning. Wolves are really looking like a World Series team yet again for the 2nd year in a row. JD sees one, Ryan tracks it down, catches it, trying to go for the double play and doesn't get there.
What's the score, Tina?
1 out, first out of the inning. River Gaskill up to bat. What a rookie. Unfortunately, Brooke got sent down to the minor leagues because he let off 10 runs in 1 inning. And also, he does not go to bat. So bad, feels so bad for Brooke, but stuff just gotta happen. River fouls one off to the right side.
When you get the tap, you gotta show me what it looks like.
River, stand going for it, grounds it, and tries to go for the double play, but misses the zone. 2 outs. Right up to bat with the bases cleared.
Crazy.
Takes the pitch inside.
Go. We'll go Willie. I'm done.
belly pop inside. Swings that one, and that will be the third out of the inning for the Hawks. Swings that one, hits Josh, and swings that one. Fred grounds it, goes for the double play, but misses it. Swings that one for a ground single. High fly, and it is foul.
So many pine trees you won't see the neighbors. Oh, girl, we're almost there, so do me a favor. Baby, close your eyes and picture perfect little handprints of vowels.
Swings and barely tips it on the edge of the bat for a foul ball number 2.
Pictures in the hallway, dogs in the yard, pencil marks in the doorframe.
And that is ball 5. Recreated his walk-off bomb from 2 days ago. Hits him for ball 5, brings in the first run in the inning.
I'd love to take a seat.
What? How do you want it? Is that?
Moving the strike zone, some difficulties. Swings
let's
and
go.
fouls it off at his feet.
Head on. Head on, head on, let's go.
Fouls off another pitch.
Hey, if
at
we're
his
gonna be
feet.
swinging at you like that, it's gotta be on defense.
I'm dog tired by the 5 o'clock hour, but I'm ready to raise some hell. And Jesse's getting ready.
Grounds it, tries to go for the double play and just misses the zone. Kyle up to the disc. JD looking a little close in the outfield right now. Swings for strike 1. Takes that same pitch for ball 1.
Wild cherry on her lips. I've been working and trying and flirting and dying for an all-night kind of kiss. Country on the boombox, candles on the toolbox. I'm doing everything right. Got the country porch on, turned all the way on tonight. Yeah, the moon comes up and the sun goes down.
And takes ball 5. 14 Wolves. Bases still loaded for Ryan Tuch yet again. Takes a pitch almost out of his head. For the miss. And gets a single, which brings in another run. Bases still loaded with the score 14-4. Could really bring this deficit to 6 with just one swing.
Who do you want to win? I want them to win too.
swings, and that's a double, which brings in 2 runs.
That's a single, Stan.
Leo's gonna actually mark it down as a single.
No, it's a double.
Leo knows what's going on. Yeah.
14-6 is the score.
They're saying the infield is saying 13.
They're saying 13?
Yeah.
Well, it's 14.
They want. Okay, well, I'm not complaining. Make it right.
And he gets one! And that's out of here!
14-10, let's go.
14-9. A 3-run bomb for Josh Pollard, which brings the score even closer, 14-9.
Don't fuck yourself. No, don't let this jackass beat you.
Kyle is getting some chirps from the fans.
Yeah, y'all got it.
JD
14-9.
inching up even a little
Right over
closer.
JD's head for a double.
Stan, watch out. Swings and a miss.
Head on it, don't.
Kyle, I think trying to look for an auto hit with JD inching up pretty close.
Still go a little bit crazy sometimes, yeah, but now I don't stay near as long. I'm a little bit
Takes another
steady,
pitch
but
and
still a
foul.
little bit rolling stone. I'm a little bit heaven, but still a little
Takes
bit
another
flesh.
pitch for ball 5.
Little don't know where I'm holy water, but still a little bit burning.
Runner on first for Ryan Tuch. Swings, high fly ball. JD drops his drink and catches it
Yeah.
for the 3rd out of the inning.
What's the score, Chelsea?
Andrew Pollock against his own son, Josh Pollock. Swings and gets the ground out. He got it. That's a ground out. He just gets the ground out right before the line.
Pull me
Oh, never mind. It's a single.
another drink, 'cause I don't wanna feel
Hold up. Ground out or single?
Lead off thing.
Oh, shoot. All right. I thought it was a
I
single
got his
there,
feet into
but
it this point.
it was a leadoff single for Andrew Pollock. Great attempt out there.
I ain't never heard like this before. Don't wanna
Takes
think
ball
about her.
Give me
Where
fastball.
without her. Don't wanna hit the karaoke bar, can't sing without her. So make them drink strong, 'cause brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'ma need some whiskey glasses, 'cause I don't wanna see the
Oh, double play.
Does it, catches it, and gets the double play! What a double play by Josh Pollock to get the 2 outs. Base is now clear. Possibly save the Hawks a couple runs. River swings and misses that in the first pitch.
whiskey glasses.
Takes the ball 1 down low.
Last call. I swear this will be my last call. I ain't drunk, darling, no more.
Ooh,
At
3-1.
Mr. Bartender, hit me again. Don't
Good
wanna
eye.
think about her. Wear a ring without her. Don't wanna hit the karaoke.
Oh, good swing. 4-2.
Drink strong.
4-2, full count for River Gaskill here. Here's the pitch.
Oh, oh.
And
I don't wanna see the truth.
that is ball 5 for River Gaskill. Very close call there. Could have ended this inning for the Wolves. Gets it, and it's a comeback right at Josh for the PFP. Hawks get through that inning quite easily and keeps that inning to 0 for the Hawks.
Fuck you, 5
Knock 'em up, knock 'em
Stan Mankiewicz up to bat.
6 to win. We got 8 right there.
5 to force it to extras and 6 to walk this game off.
6 to win.
Andrew Pollock, possible Cy Young leader up on the mound.
Oh my
What
God.
a slider! Almost hits Stan, but gets it barely on the top of his head. Hits him in the back.
Alright, stay alive.
Staying alive with quite the good slider that Andrew Pollock's got.
Ball.
Takes a ball
Let's go, Snake.
down and low.
Oh my
Swings and misses at a very high pitch for the first out of the inning. I don't know. 2-2. Takes ball 3 way inside.
I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, a cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today.
And gets the Oppo double to pull through. So it's on the swing. And he takes it for ball 5.
Life is good today.
Slider almost went around him and hit the toe. Swings, and that is crushed to left field and brings his deficit to 2. Close slider almost went around him and hit the toe. Swings, and that is crushed to left field and brings his deficit to 2.
In a lawn chair, toes in the clay. Not a worry in the
Ball
world.
2 hits him.
PBR on the way. Life is good today.
Oh,
Grounds it for the second out of the inning. Nobody on.
We need base
All they
runners.
need is just some base runners and a great swing of the bat. Hawks could possibly walk off this game in the playoffs.
Don't swing unless it's the right deck.
Ball
Walk
1.
right now would be honestly like best case scenario.
Swear that you
Ball
stay single.
2.
Next thing you know, you meet a girl at a bar, and next thing you know,
And that's a single underneath Andrew Pollock's dive. Here's the pitch. Ball 5 brings the runner to first for the runners on first and second. And takes ball 5. He bobbles it, but he gets it for the out, and it ends the game with the Andrew Pollock save. Hawks almost get the comeback win, but just fall short, 14-12 as the score.